Forget your standard clusters. Today we are here, ready to discover a new vision of things. The creation of the new Huracán Tecnica was inspired by a set of emotions and sensations. A perfect combination of style and innovation. Lifestyle, fun to drive, and track orientation. In other words, three souls that come together to create something unique.
How would I describe him in 3 words? Courageous, indomitable, wild. A prince, supremely elegant, impeccable, always in control.
His ideal weekend? Zipping off to the ocean.
Come Saturday, the tracks, the only thing for him.
Openings, events, vernissages, charity dinners, conferences.
His social life is as hectic as can be.
The person he hangs out most with? Himself.
His favorites? Rock and roll, opera, and jazz.
He comes to me twice a year.
His leather jacket. It's his uniform.
Definitely. A good guy. A bad guy.
He's a mystery to me.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo. He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lamborghini Huracán Tecnica.
Lamborghini presents new Huracán Tecnica. Take all your souls to drive.
Since its first launch in 2014, the Huracán has proven to be a successful car in terms of media, press, and customer response. In all these years, the Huracán stands out not only on the road, but also in motorsports, achieving great international victories such as the 24-hour of Daytona and the Nürburgring record set in 2016 with the Huracán Performante. The new Huracán Tecnica offers a unique driving experience. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive transmission, its powerful, naturally aspirated V10 engine, and advanced driving dynamics. Everything followed by an outstanding lightweight design aimed to improve the overall aerodynamic efficiency. As a matter of fact, the Huracán Tecnica combines the best of the Huracán family. It is founded on the driving performance of the Huracán STO while providing comfort and everyday usability of the Huracán EVO and finally fun to drive of the Huracán EVO rear-wheel drive. We believe that this car, thanks to its unique attributes, will satisfy an even broader audience of customers.
We wanted a car that would be perfect for the daily use and fun to drive, but also with a much sportier feel than the Huracán EVO. Taking inspiration from the STO, we have equipped the car with a direct steering system that makes it even more reactive, creating an exceptional feeling between the driver, the car and the road. We wanted to maintain the powertrain of the STO, the naturally aspirated V10 5.2 liter that delivers 640 horsepower. Combined with a revised exhaust system, it improves the unmistakable and powerful engine sound and gives the driver the highest level of emotion. The exterior design has been considerably revised to improve the aerodynamics of the car. This is fundamental for the stability and ease of use in every condition, and especially on the track. We have worked to reach the best dynamic behavior. The downforce has been improved by 35% compared with the EVO rear-wheel drive, and the drag has been reduced by 20%, meaning that we have less aerodynamic resistance and can thus accelerate faster. We have also adopted the use of carbon fiber both on the front and the rear. Together with other modifications, this helps to reduce the overall weight of the car. The other big area of improvement is a braking system, especially when using the car on the track. You need to have reliable and consistent braking behavior lap after lap. For this, we have completely redesigned and improved the brake cooling system on both front and rear by pushing the airflow directly inside the brake disc, thus maximizing heat dissipation. Thanks to these improvements, we have achieved a dramatic reduction of the temperature of the most sensitive parts of the car, such as brake fluids and discs. Thanks to all these improvements, we have a car that is not only comfortable on normal roads, but also suitable for an exceptional fun on the track.
Our fantastic cars are always adopt to the fun to drive approach. That's why we wanted to express this feeling also when you look at the new Huracán Tecnica. It is the biggest design update we have ever done on the Huracán range, and it is 100% in line with the powerful DNA of Lamborghini design. Let me start with the front. Everything is designed to emphasize the width of the car. We have here a beautiful technical functionality with the Y-shaped air curtain that is going pretty well with the front lights and is reshaping the front. We have integrated here this Y-shaped air curtain that is inspired from the racing world of the Super Trofeo EVO 2. So the silhouette of a Lamborghini is something very remarkable, and we have redesigned the DLO in a new way. So there's this shorter hexagon, and we have implemented here an air intake. Talking about the rear, we gave the car more dynamic with this high-mounted rear wing, but in the same way it is integrated and is also here emphasizing the fun-to-drive approach because it is increasing the downforce. For me, the most sexy part for sure are the rear fenders. They are emphasizing also here the sexiness of the main body, the main sculpture. And I really like when I see here this rear end with those wings that are designed in a kind of a omega shape, and they are embracing the hexagonal exhaust pipes. Designed like this, the Huracán Tecnica is ready for another success story of the Huracán.